million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Klaiyi here. Now we have worked with them so many times and we absolutely love them. Y'all know that's how we do with human hair. We'll try them. If we like them, we'll keep working with them. If they trash, I tell you they trash and we never work with them again, okay? If you look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, all the details on this wig, and you'll see a coupon code too. Let's see what's in here, because all I did was take it out the packaging because y'all know I like to do stuff with y'all. All right, so besides the wig, we got some wig caps and the little baggie of goodies that seems to be standard at this point. You get some hair clips, some more wig caps, some long eyelashes, holy shit, and that's coming from me. Y'all see how long mine are. And a scarf. All right, them little extras matter when you invest in here, aka spending your coins. All right, I'm gonna read directly off the sticker, but like I said, it'll be down in the box. This is a 16-inch straight wig, which is basic and to the damn point. Y'all, I can't lie. The latest human hair I've been reviewing, it's all been like skunk colored and, you know, all this old jazz. Sometimes it's good to just get back to the damn, you know, basics. I'm just cutting that wrapper off. So this is a straight wig, but y'all, it got a little pizzazz to it. It looks like it got some layers cut in it. Sorry, all this damn wrapping. I'm trying to get rid of that. All right. It looked like it's layered. We shall see. The cap construction, you get a comb in the back and those adjustable straps. And then in the front, that looks like a 13 by 6, but yeah, this could be an 87 by 42 for all I know. Look in that box. Look like a 13 by 6. You the comb to the right and the comb to the left. But what I love about Klaiyi hair is if you are a beginner like me, because y'all know I always say I'm a wig player, not a slayer. The way that their hairlines normally look and the way that they pre-pluck that for you is just magic. All right, before we cut off the lace, let me put this on my head. Yeah, it's got some layers cut into this, y'all. Look. Cute. I'm gonna run my flat iron through it too. So because it's a 13 by 6, you don't have to keep it in the middle. You could come over here and do it to the left. You could come over here and do it to the right. You could also probably just shift it. But I'm gonna wear it in the middle just for purposes of this review, and I'm gonna run my flat iron through it. Oh Lord. Sorry. All right, y'all, let's cut off this lace. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and y'all are probably looking at this like this is such a basic wig, and y'all, I think that's what I like so much about it. This is a wig that literally took me back to the basics by being bone straight with them 1990s like layers in it. But then I didn't have to do anything to this, y'all. You see I swooped a few of them baby hairs unevenly, and that is how good it looks. Y'all, this wig is bomb.com. This is, again, how many inches did I say? This is 16 inches, so keep that in mind. But to be honest with y'all, and y'all know I hate a bob. I think this will be cute as a bob, but I also think this will be super long with those dramatic layers in it. So can I recommend this one? Of course I can, but I find myself saying it about every wig that we work with Klaiyi hair. So I definitely recommend this one. If you look in the description box, you will see a direct link to this wig and all the details on it. Y'all, and it's so soft. Like, the quality of this hair is just bomb. And those layers are just so simple yet beautiful, traditional. Yes, I recommend this one. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your Auntie Kim, maybe it's your Uncle Kenny, whichever one, send them my way, and me and Klaiyi hair will get them right. Y'all look. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.